Yo, what is up, you guys? Back at it again with another cleaning. Today we got ourselves a little challenge. I got 5 sneakers. They all need a good cleaning. Nothing too crazy, not like a deep cleaning where they need to be rinsed or anything like that. But we got some of these Curry Dunks that we're looking at right now. These Jordan 5s, they're a bit dirty. They have some scuffing. I gotta do a little repaint on them, but no big deal. Definitely gonna clean those outsoles. They're pretty crusty. And we'll also be cleaning out those like little lint balls on the inside as well too. These dunks aren't too bad. Laces are tore up. Yeah, man, I'm gonna see if I can challenge myself. Got 5 sneakers, one night. Why not? Let's do it. Alright guys, let's get into this cleaning. I did it. 5 sneakers, one night. You will never know because of YouTube magic. Because you guys saw this in 6 minutes. But who cares? Anyways, comment below, tell me what you guys think. How clean are they? Did I do a good job? Did I miss something? Was there some scratches that I left? Was there some dirt that I left? I don't think I seen any, but I did my best for the one night I had. But comment below if you guys need any cleanings. Come by the shop, Cobblers Plus, out here in Denver. I'll put down the information at the bottom. Check me out on IG as well too. All the information's on there as well. You'll see all my information for my Gmail and also my Instagram if you guys need any cleanings or even any customs. Check out also my other videos. I do other customs if you guys are really interested in customs. My name's Migs and I'm signing out. Later, guys.